last year the consumption demand, private sector consumption expenditure grew by 7.1%. Capital expenditure grew only by 4% and exports less than 1%. So, there is no sign of recovery as far or support to demand also coming from the central budget. But in fact, the size of the central budget is actually the lowest in the last 2-3 years. It is now about 12.6% of GDP, coming down from about 13.5%. So, the impact of the budget is therefore not going to be introduced directly through government intervention. It is not going to support additional demand nor a hike in the investment rate. So, most of that will have to now come from the stimuli that might be introduced and might affect the behavior of the private sector. That may be both domestic investors and external investors. Whether that will come will really depend on what would be the impact of the initiatives that have been announced in the budget for stimulating investment as well as demand from the private sector. There also, as far as the household sector is concerned, hardly any increase has been provided or relief has been provided through the tax exemptions or other provisions, such that we can expect some stimulation to household demand. So, most of it will have to come from the rest of the sector. So, there may be private investors or external investors. Whether that will have a bearing or not is something that we need to really question. So, I would say that in terms of my initial remarks, I see the ambition is very laudable. This is the right time to actually aim for a higher growth, because inflation is coming down. But the direct support that is coming from the central budget is limited. The direct support that we can expect from the state budgets is also limited. So, really action moves to either monetary stimulus or to the private sector.